Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning and powering the hardware. Plug the router into mains and attach the modem via the WAN port. Lights will cycle as firmware boots. Once lights settle, connect one device by Ethernet to confirm internet from the modem is present. If you have ISP credentials or a modem login, keep them ready. Make sure the router's default SSID and password are on the label so you can sign into the admin page to start configuration. You now access the admin interface from a connected device using the router IP. Enter default credentials, then immediately change the admin password so nobody else can reconfigure your network. Next, rename the SSID to something recognizable and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase. This protects wireless traffic. Make sure DHCP is enabled so devices get IPs automatically. Set the correct time zone for logs, and apply firmware updates while you're here to patch vulnerabilities. You finish by connecting phones, laptops, and smart devices to the new SSID using the passphrase. Confirm each device receives an IP and can browse. If you want separation, enable a guest network with restricted LAN access. Once everything works, back up the router config and schedule periodic firmware checks. If a device won't connect or there's no internet, reboot modem and router, double-check WAN login, and contact your ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.